Wireless is such a huge festival for me, for the people around me, for the culture. Peckham is so eclectic, and growing up there helped me appreciate all types of music. It's like a big community, like a big hub. We're all lifting each other up, and I think that's what makes the UK so special. As an adult, I've immersed myself in the sound, in the culture, in the people, in the story surrounding songs. I talk about music every day. I play it every single time I get booked to do anything. Without music, I don't think that, as I am right now, I don't think it would exist.